Welcome to Sharda University. Sharda University is evolving to a unique campus for community development and value-based learning. I invite you to this university and see how Sharda University offers multifaceted dimensions to your personality.
Sharda University is a part of Sharda Group of Institutions, a leading group of professional educational institutions incepted 16 years ago.
We started Sharda Group Institution in 95. In fact, I was chief edition in 1985. So I saw a large number of students are going from North to South India. So I was wondering, why don't we start engineering colleges? And in fact, we started pursuing the government of UP. And we went to the government of India, AICT. And finally, we found that the AICT in those days was quite flexible, and they were promoting the education system in North India. We applied in 95, and we got the Hindustan College of Science and Technology in Mathura in 96. Realizing the need and the population of Uttar Pradesh, we opened subsequently around 7-8 more colleges like Hindustan Institute of Management and Computer Science. We opened, Anand Engineering College in 98, and then we opened another engineering college by BMS Engineering College in 99. In fact, the idea was that create Uttar Pradesh as a global destination for education. In fact, we wanted to stop the student flow from north to south.
Sharda Group of Institutions has 4 campuses, incorporating 14 colleges across Agra, Mathura, and Greater Noida.
From 96 to 2009, we opened around large number of institutions. We have 4 engineering colleges and a few of the management schools, then dental schools, medical schools put together. Based on our academic strength and our infrastructure, the facilities and intellectual capital, we applied to the UP government for the university, and we were happy that they have assessed well at this university and granted the status of this campus, which is established in 2005 as a Sharda University.
Sharda University's global vision is amply reflected in the vision statement and exceeding of expectations. Sharda envisions to become a global center of learning to promote professional excellence and innovation. Sharda University is a world-class UGC-approved university, approved by AICTE, MCI, DCI, Council of Architecture, and so forth. A global center of learning with professional excellence and innovation, world-class students, and world-class curriculum, sprawling over 63 acres. In pursuance of excellence, Sharda has bestowed with numerous awards. School of Engineering and Technology. Here, an unfettered spirit of knowledge and exploration, academic integrity and accountability, and promotion of intellectual excellence makes SET distinct from the rest. School of Business Studies. SBS provides management education with innovative applied research, practice-based, and harnessing technology and best management practices to shape tomorrow's leaders. School of Dental Sciences. SDS provides state-of-the-art courses with classroom learning adequately supported with experimental learning. School of Medical Sciences and Research. SMSNR is a world-class medical college offering contemporary medical knowledge. The college is also equipped with all the modern facilities and equipments to provide total healthcare under one roof. School of Allied Health Sciences. School of Allied Health Sciences offers varied programs in allied sciences related to medicine, nursing, clinical research, physiotherapy, dietetics. School of Allied Sciences and Creative Arts. The school offers varied programs including mass communication via advanced simulations and practical teaching methodology. School of Law. The school offers various programs in law, namely BBA LLB Integrated, BA LLB Integrated. School of Basic Sciences and Research. Sharda University offers 5-year integrated and interdisciplinary Bachelor of Science, Master of Science to launch career opportunities in academia and industry. School of Languages. Sharda University proposes to offer the language courses from the current academic year. School of Architecture and Planning. The school offers the Bachelor of Architecture program. School of Design. The school creates future-proof designers via UGC-approved professional degrees.
Sharda University was established with a vision to be a globally respected center and encourage diverse ideas beliefs, and culture. We are committed to promote leadership and excellence through innovation and continuous learning. We have created a multidisciplinary university where engineering, management, medical, and dental streams coexist within the campus is one of the biggest strengths of this university. I invite you to experience this culture and participate in new learning methodology adopted by Sharda.
Sharda University has entered into strategic tie-ups with leading global universities to empower its students and propel them on the global stage.
India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world with a rich cultural heritage and moral values. Sharda University in India is pioneer in providing a world-class education at an affordable price. We believe unity in diversity and respect the talents from all across the world. Here at Sharda, you get knowledge which is endless and beyond boundaries.
With a vision to make Sharda University a global education hub, an array of facilities are offered. The Research and Technology Development Center, RTDC at Sharda, conducts cutting-edge research in the frontier areas. Galaxy of world-class faculty.
I'm Michael Barbas, Professor of Marketing at Sharda University, previously teaching at State University of New York, Empire State College International Programs. At Sharda, we go poles to render a different direction to learning, simply because among our faculties, you'll find eminent educationalists straight from North Pole to South Pole.
Credit-based learning system to accelerate power of intelligence. Sharda University offers practice-based learning, stimulating teaching and continuous evaluation.
Sharda University imparts project-based education. The university follows a flexible credit and grade system which is acceptable all over the world.
Training and placements in leading corporates, giving students their rightful place. The admissions cell at Sharda University not only facilitates students in admissions but also guides and informs students about various career options. A round-the-clock live, interactive and dedicated call center takes care of all student queries, telecounseling and various other systems of student-institution communication. To keep tomorrow's path breakers in shape, a state-of-the-art multi-speciality hospital offers round-the-clock, best-in-class and affordable medical care to patients.
Seeing is believing. I invite you to Sharda to see how this university is emerging as a global university. You can have opportunity to meet a student from 32 nations, from 27 states, handpicked faculty from across the country and from the overseas. Sharda University welcomes those who want to become a global citizen and rise beyond boundaries.